When we think about businesses, it's easy to picture a factory churning out products or a team of people delivering a service. But what really sets manufacturing and service businesses apart? Let's break it down by comparing two iconic Australian companies, Yakult and Qantas. Yakult is a classic example of a manufacturing business. Their main output is a tangible product, those familiar probiotic drink bottles we see in supermarkets. The process is highly automated and takes place in a controlled environment, with a strong focus on consistency and hygiene. Every bottle is produced, stored, and then sold to customers, who expect the same taste and quality every time. On the other hand, Qantas operates in the service sector. Instead of making a physical product, Qantas delivers an experience, transporting passengers and freight safely and efficiently across the globe. The product here is intangible. We can't hold a flight in our hands, but we can feel the effects of good service, safety, and reliability. For Qantas, production and consumption happen at the same time. The service is delivered as we experience it. So, what are the key differences in how these businesses operate? For Yakult, quality control is all about physical inspection and ensuring every bottle meets strict standards. Automation is central, with machines handling much of the work. For Qantas, quality is measured through customer feedback and service standards. Technology supports their operations, but human interaction is crucial, from pilots and cabin crew to ground staff. Their business objectives might sound similar at first. Both want to make a profit, grow their market share, and meet customer needs. But the way they achieve these goals is different. Yakult focuses on efficient production and expanding its health beverage market, while Qantas relies on ticket sales, premium services, and maintaining its reputation for safety and comfort. Yakult's success depends on product quality and efficiency, while Qantas's success is built on service quality and reliability. Stakeholders also play different roles in each business. At Yakult, employees focus on safety, hygiene, and precision in manufacturing. Customers expect a consistent product, and the government regulates food safety. The community benefits from health education and factory tours. For Qantas, employees are trained in customer service and safety protocols. Customers expect safe, punctual, and comfortable flights. The government oversees aviation safety and environmental laws, and the community benefits from employment and sponsorships. Qantas's stakeholders are often more directly involved in real-time service delivery. Corporate culture is another area where these businesses differ. Yakult's culture is shaped by precision, teamwork, and a commitment to health, influenced by its Japanese roots. Employees work in clean, highly controlled environments with a strong focus on product integrity. Qantas's culture revolves around safety, service excellence, and representing Australia on the world stage. Teamwork is essential, especially across ground crew, pilots, and cabin staff. Both cultures value professionalism and responsibility, but Yakult is more process-driven, while Qantas is people-driven. When it comes to corporate social responsibility, both companies take their roles seriously, but their focus areas reflect their business types. Yakult works on health and sustainability, using recyclable bottles and reducing factory waste. Qantas aims for net zero carbon emissions by 2050, supports Indigenous employment, and invests in sustainable aviation fuel research. Their CSR efforts align with their broader objectives and the needs of their stakeholders. So, what can we learn from comparing Yakult and Qantas? Manufacturing and service businesses have different processes, but both rely on effective management and social responsibility to achieve success. Understanding these differences helps us connect business theory to real-world examples, whether you're studying operations, stakeholders, or corporate culture. Next time you fly with Qantas or pick up a Yakult, you'll know there's a lot more going on behind the scenes than meets the eye.